Hey there! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cloves and what happens when you eat two of these flavorful wonders every day. When it comes to natural remedies that boost sexual health, few are as potent and promising as cloves. So, let's delve deeper into understanding the benefits of cloves sexually and how both men and women can harness these advantages. They have a wealth of nutrients, including vitamin K, potassium, beta-carotene, and a potent chemical compound called eugenol, making them a powerhouse of health benefits. These nutrients bestow cloves with their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, collectively contributing to various health benefits, including improved sexual health. Let's delve into how these nutrients translate into the benefits of cloves sexually for males and females. Benefits of cloves sexually for men. Clove enhances sex hormone production. Cloves are rich in manganese, a crucial mineral that aids in the production of sex hormones, including testosterone and prolactin. By stimulating the production of these hormones, cloves can improve sexual performance in men. Number 2. Boosts overall sexual health. The eugenol in cloves can stimulate the nervous system, increasing sexual responsiveness. This stimulation, coupled with the overall health benefits of cloves, can enhance men's overall sexual health, leading to improved sexual behavior. 3. Remedies erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction, or the inability to get or maintain an erection, can be a significant concern for many men. Cloves, by promoting blood flow and nerve stimulation in the genitals, can help prevent premature ejaculation and improve erection quality, thereby enhancing sexual performance. 4. Reduces risk of STDs. Sexually transmitted diseases caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi can significantly threaten sexual health. Cloves' antibacterial and antifungal properties can help prevent and treat these infections, reducing the risk of STDs. 5. Increases sperm count and motility. Cloves, rich in vital vitamins and flavonoids, can improve sperm count and motility, key factors affecting male fertility. This makes cloves a natural fertility booster for men. Benefits of cloves sexually for women. 1. Increases sexual desire. With their stress-relieving and energy-boosting properties, cloves have been found to increase sexual desire in women. The manganese in cloves aids in the production of the sex hormone testosterone, which is essential for both men's and women's sex drives. 2. Enhances sexual stimulation. The aroma of cloves can trigger the release of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that can reduce heart rate and stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system. This system is responsible for sexual arousal, making cloves a potential natural stimulant for women. 3. Boosts fertility. Cloves can help increase a woman's chances of conceiving. Traditional medicine suggests that drinking clove water can stimulate ovulation, improving fertility. 4. Reduces menstrual symptoms. Clove oil and clove water can help alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort. Some women also use clove water to cleanse their wounds of old blood, making cloves a potential natural remedy for menstrual symptoms. So, there you have it. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders that nature has to offer. Until next time, happy and healthy eating. Please subscribe.